Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this pirate outfit in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. Okay, first of all, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it like this. Combine it with this hair, make it the same color and put on this hat. And you're going to apply this pattern. This one guys. You're going to apply this pattern for the hat. And then you're going to put on this flower. You can make it red and also this color. And then you're going to put on this item and choose to go free. And then you're going to color it with this color for all the selection. And then you're going to put on this necklace, make it like this, and combine it with this one, make it like this. Alright, and then the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this mesh and then I'm going to make it thick and choose to go 4. Alright, and then I'm going to put on this sleeves, and for the sleeves I'm going to make it this color, this one, for the first selection, and for the next selection I'm going to make it this color. Okay, done. And then I'm going to move to this shoes area and put on this boots, and then I'm going to make it black for the first selection and also the second selection and the third selection, and then combine it with this boots, and then I'm going to apply this pattern, okay, for the first selection and also the second selection. Then I'm going to go to the dressing room, and from here guys I'm going to go to this menu, put on this corset from the witch set. Okay, put on this corset and then I'm going to apply this pattern for the first selection, the second selection and third selection, and then I'm going to combine it with this top and choose toggle 2, and then we're going to apply this pattern. Okay, you get this pattern and we're going to put on this skirt, apply this pattern for the first selection, second selection and also the third selection, and then for the fourth selection you're going to apply this pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the next area and put on this belt. Okay, and then I'm going to select this knife and make it hike. And sorry guys, I forgot something from here. I'm gonna go back to this area and then I'm going to put on this corset, this one. Okay, and then for this corset I'm going to choose to go 1, and for the first selection we're going to apply the same pattern we have applied before, this one, and then for the second selection I'm going to make it this color, and for the third selection I'm going to make it black. And now it's done. This is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.